let's get started. This week, we'll be talking about the changing landscape of Detroit. Now, what you see on our fair city is not without its own story. The present landform and soils of Michigan are the result of melting glaciers from the Ice Age, which formed lakes and rivers and enacted pressurized erosion processes upon the landscape, resulting in a diversity of terrain features. These included moraines, drumlins, eskers, outwash plains. Excuse me, yes, in the back. Can you please turn off your cell phone? Yes, eyes up front. Thank you. Whitewash plains, active depressions, economic depressions, emotional depressions, and numerous streams and gullies, including 4 of the world's largest freshwater lakes. The rich post-glacial landscape provided an abundance of habitat for a wide diversity of forest, savanna, and aquatic plant and animal communities. One large group of these flora and fauna elements were made up of the pine communities, which covered 4.1 million acres, or 11.8% of Michigan's pre-human settlement forested landscape. These included pure white pine forests, pure red pine forests, pure jack pine forests, mixed red jack pine forests, mixed pine oak forests, and the previously cited red-white pine forests and white pine mixed hardwood forests. These pine communities were fire-driven ecosystems, meaning that they were dependent upon the occasional catastrophic fire for regeneration, not unlike the pyrophytic plants such as the longleaf pine, the giant sequoia, or the redwood, that resist fire with adaptations, which include thick bark, tissue with high moisture content, or underground storage structures. Hundreds of years ago, Detroit was an open land of rich soil, forests, and grasses. Large fruit trees like crabapple and black cherry grew wild. Animals such as squirrels, muskrats, beavers, deer, bear, all roamed free and fed on the grasses, while swans, turkeys, quail, geese, doves, and other birds traveled in flocks. The Detroit River was a clear, flowing waterway, and schools of fish jumped in and out of the water.
In the beginning, there were no straight lines. Trails followed channels and contours of the earth. Water flowed along the place that the Huron people called the coast of the Strait. Later, the French would call it the city of the Strait, La Ville de Detroit. We grew.